Okay, so what we're doing here today is we're assembling some bookcases. I have a unit over here that's already been assembled and installed. So all the parts and pieces were milled up in the shop. We have stacks. Everything came in the back of a pickup truck and delivered. These are 4-foot, 5-foot, and 6-foot units. So what we did at the shop is we drilled in the dominoes, which are little mortise and tenon joints. You can see there I have glue running down because I'm about to assemble this first piece. Now a domino was put in with a little cutter. It's actually a little thing made by Festool, and the slot is cut into the wood and laid out, and we insert that. So for the installation, we actually have the back side is cut, and if you can see there, the joints help with the alignment. So after the first one is tapped in, we go down to the ends and we do the same alignment on the end pieces. And as you can see that going together. And the last side here. So in the shop, what we've done is we've cut all our pieces, did all our peg alignments, did all the shelf holes. You can see right through there. So we bring it in paneled pieces. This top has already been assembled. It's all done with pocket screws from the top. As you can see there, the Craig screws actually hold it together. The dominoes create the alignment, and the pocket screws, both top and bottom, create the blind fastening. So our finished product is the stand-up bookcases, and once again, all shop manufactured, assembled in the field, and all the alignment of the shelves, everything complete.